Hey friends, it's Kyla and I'm back with another video. This one is a little bit different. I figured I have some meals to prep. Why not chat with me as I cook? Today I'll be making or prepping some vegan eggplant parmesan and some portobello mushrooms in a really great marinade that's simple and easy to do. Grab a snack or a drink or hit pause on this video and come back and cook with me. Forgive me, I'm about to state the obvious. But you know what? I don't think we can overstate this. When we're healthy, we have a better outlook on life. And then we're able to better help others with our talents. I believe that's critical to having an enduring sense of happiness. Why not live well and happy? That's why I started pursuing Eden. I know there is a way to achieve all three of the above: wellness, purpose, and happiness. Simply, no fuss. With our current health crisis, it's even more important to have good health. And a huge part of that is eating well. It is possible to have a healthy, plant-based diet and feel completely satisfied. I find that when I do a bit of meal prep at the top of the week with tasty options, I have something to look forward to, and my day is that much better, not to mention my dinners. What I hope you'll see from this video is that it is super easy to cook tasty, healthy meals. Who has the patience for anything complicated these days anyway? I know that you'll enjoy these two plant-based meals that I'm sharing today. The eggplant parmesan can be enjoyed in so many different ways. I'm gonna have it this week with brown rice pasta. And the portobello mushrooms that I'm prepping right now, I've had them in stir fry with brown rice. I've also had them in stir fries with noodles. And one of my favorite ways to have them is in Vietnamese spring rolls, vegan Vietnamese spring rolls. If you want to see me do a video on that separately, comment down below. Maybe I will. So try these two options that I'm sharing with you today and let me know what you think. I really want to hear what your thoughts are, and comment down below as well, okay?